Hi, it's Rosie. I'm going to be showing you how I get a polished, glamorous evening look using the Unlocked Sculpture Quad from the holiday collection. I started with the Veil Mineral Primer, and that's really because I want my makeup to last me throughout the evening. I used the Vanish foundation stick and the Vanish concealer. I did my eyebrows with the Micro Sculpting pencil. I'm going to use the Unlocked Sculpture Quad, which has 4 exclusive shades in it. First, I'm going to use the finishing powder. I'm going to apply this all over my face to finish off and set the concealer and foundation. Next, I'm gonna go into bronzer. Because this is my signature evening look, I'm gonna really build this up for a bit more of a bronzy finish. I'm gonna bring it up into the temples of my forehead, onto my jawline to give me that carved definition. So moving on to blush, I'm using this exclusive shade called Mood Flush. For an evening look, I actually really love to apply the blusher kind of high onto the apples of my cheek, just to add a little bit more kind of drama to the look. And for my last step, I'm going to use the metallic strobe powder here. This is Champagne Strobe Light, and I like to apply this just to the very top of my cheekbone. You can see how that's just popping with highlight there. I'm going to go into the bronzy color, and for the evening I like to really kind of elongate my eye, so I'm going to almost start at the front of my eye and then roll the brush out. And then I'm going to use brush number 11 and taking the bronzer, just add a little bit of definition underneath my eye. This is a really good way of cheating to make your eyes look a bit bigger and more defined. And then going back to brush number 6, I'm going to use the strobe right underneath my eyebrow. I'm going to finish up the eyes using my favorite Scattered Light eyeshadow in Blaze, and it works really well for me because I have blue eyes. Back to the palette again, I'm going to take the blush color on the number 6, and I'm just going to pop that into the socket of my eye, just to add that little rosy glow. So next I'm going to go in with the Voyeur liquid eyeliner. I'm not the best at liquid eyeliner, so let's hope this goes okay, but I'm really just going to use the precision tip really close to my lash line, just to give a little bit of definition, not so much a line. Next, onto mascara, I'm just going to quickly curl my lashes very gently. And because it's evening, I'm going to use Caution, and it really coats all the lashes. I love the dramatic effect and how intense the black is. So for my lips, I'm going to use the Confession Sculpture Duo. Inside here, I have the shade At Dawn, and I'm actually going to click it out and interchange it with my evening shade At Dusk, which is this beautiful kind of crimson-y brick red. And one of my favorite things about the Confession lipstick is the precision tip, so I don't need any lip liner, and using the edge of the lipstick I can really sculpt and line the lip. So to finish up, I'm going to use the Veil Soft Focus Setting Spray. It's such a versatile palette, great for having on the go in your handbag for a night out. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.